Ndewonu, ndị ọma njem ọnụ, unu anọọla ye? Welcome back to Igbozo channel. Today, let's dive into one of the most heartwarming traditions in Igboland, Onu Nwa, the joyful celebration that follows the birth of a child. From the naming ceremony to Omugwo, this cultural journey is filled with love, unity, and a deep meaning. Let's get right into it. Announcement of birth. Okuozi Omumu. When a baby is born, news spread with excitement. Traditionally, the father may break a kola nut to thank God, Chukwu Okike, and honor the ancestors for a safe delivery. This moment symbolizes gratitude and the start of celebration. In many communities, women express their joy through songs, ululation, itioro, and dancing. These sounds fill the air, announcing to everyone a new life has entered the world. It is a moment of pure happiness. Ndị ndom, ụmụ nwanyị alụ alụ na-eti oro, amụrụ nwa gịnị? And their response normally will be, nwa nwoke o for a baby boy, and nwa nwanyị o for a baby girl. Nwa bịara ụwa nnọọ. Welcome, new baby. The women share nzu, limestone, and powder. A few days after the birth comes a very important tradition, Ịba nwa aha, the naming ceremony. In Igboland, a name carries deep meaning. It can reflect gratitude, circumstances surrounding the birth, family history, or prayer. Family, friends, and kinsmen gather. The baby is wrapped beautifully. The paternal and maternal grandparents name the child, after which the parents name their child. This is the reason a child will likely bear two or more names. Names like Chizaram, God answered me, Amarachi, God's grace, Nwaamaka, a child is a thing of beauty. Come see your Chukwu, as I asked of God. Chinomonso, God is close to me. Ndidi amaka, patience is good. Each one is a story, a message, a blessing. Elders are seated, holding kola nuts or raising hands in prayer. They bless the child and the parents. Their words carry wisdom and spiritual significance. Prayers are said for the child's good health, ahụike, his protection, nchekwa, long life, ogologo ndụ, and a destiny filled with greatness, akara aka ọma. One of the most unique aspects of this tradition is the Omugwo, a period where the new mother is cared for by her mother or her mother-in-law, where her mom is deceased. Where both are no longer living, an elder sister or an aunt fulfills this tradition. It includes herbal baths, hot meals like pepper soup, body care, and teaching the new mom how to care for the baby. Omugwo is love in action, a time of healing, bonding, and learning. It often lasts 3 months. As mama's time to go home approaches, her son-in-law and daughter buy gift items, women's wrapper, expensive abada and george, foodstuff, money as a show of appreciation. Then comes the joyful introduction of the baby to the neighbors, Ikuputa Nwa. As the 3 month period of Omugwo elapses, both mother and child are strong enough. The baby is finally presented to the community. This act symbolizes acceptance, integration, and continuation of the family lineage. Amidst plenty of food, music, and dancing, family and friends rejoice as they present the baby with gifts. And that is the beautiful journey of Onu Nwa in Igboland. Childbirth in Igboland is not just a family event. It is a community blessing rooted in love and tradition. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Igbo culture, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Drop a comment below telling us your favorite Igbo tradition or one you will want us to explore next. Thank you for joining me.